I tell you about the positive things about my Tiger. Quick shifter, the controls, the carb you ride. Yeah, that's not a Tiger, but that's additional. The TFT, quite like that. And yeah, I'm thinking about putting other mirrors on it. Keep looking at the double take mirrors. I find them a bit expensive. And I was at the ABR and I was talking to a guy, and he's got them. He's got the same idea. Dope, they're called, but they're expensive as well. I know there's a couple of people have got Temu versions. Don't know if they're any good. Let me know in the comments if you've got Temu versions and they're any good. Give me the link. What I don't like, the seat. The seat's quite hard. The old Tiger 800, you could sit on it for hours, and this, you get a square arse. I've put one of the aero seats on it, aero pads, see if that helps any. I quite like the build quality. I like the motor, it's nice and smooth, you get used to it, it's not too aggressive, it's got plenty of punch when you want it. But what I didn't like was the OEM Metzler tyres. I've already put other tyres on it. I did another video on them, they're Mission, Trailmax Missions. But let's talk about cameras. I've got a GoPro Hero 13 and an 8 and an Insta X3. No, what's annoying is that the Insta X3 hasn't got GPS or anything, so its time codes are always funky and it's quite difficult to sync up. And the 8, that's getting a bit unreliable. I'm filming with it now, but sometimes it freezes up. Must say, but the 13 I've not had any problems with. Only the 8. I know that Buster, ADV Biker, has switched out to DJI. If I was to switch out to DJI, I would have to replace 2 cameras. The 13 and the 8. And probably the X3. So I don't think I'll be doing that for now anyway. I definitely need to replace the 8. Not only is it unreliable, but its time codes and being able to use a remote control to start the 2 cameras doesn't really work properly, because it's an 8. Don't get me wrong, I got it really cheap a while ago, so it's pretty much paid for itself. But there's always something that you need for your bike in there. Like I said, mirrors, cameras, God knows what. Bags. Tents. Well, let's talk about tents as well. I was at the ABR and I saw loads of people with all sorts of different kinds of tents. I've got the cheapest of the cheap for Decathlon and a tarp. It's the cheapest you can buy, actually. A 2-man tent. I think it's even a 3-man tent. But I don't go camping that often. So it's always a toss-up, isn't it? If you want to spend some money, get some good gear, if you're going to use it. If you're only going to use it once or twice a year, it's a bit expensive to buy all the expensive gear. And I know you get what you pay for. I must be honest. That Decathlon tent, that worked perfectly for the ABR. You can put it up really quickly and you can put it down pretty quickly. It's 27 degrees and it's 7:45 at night, so it's pretty nice weather. Like I said, I love these tyres. These tyres are absolutely brilliant. I definitely recommend them. Even as road tyres. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe or comment, and stay safe.